Okay, let's continue, students. Our chapter The Tiger King. On the following day, the same old tiger wandered into the Maharaja's presence and stood as if in humble supplication. Master, what do you command for me? Following day means the next day. Same tiger that was left in the jungle by the Diwan came in front of the Maharaja while wondering, and it seems that as it was standing humbly before the king and saying that whatever he wanted to do could do with him. It was with boundless joy that Maharaja took careful aim at the beast. The tiger fell in the crumbled heap. Crumbled heap means ढेर किसी चीज का, पत्तों का. Then after seeing the टाइगर द महाराजा बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी एंड उसके ऊपर केयरलेसफुली अपना एम टारगेट करते हैं एंड ही शूट ऑन द टारगेट एंड टाइगर फेल डाउन इन द हीप ऑफ लीव्स. आई किल्ड द 100th tiger, my woe has been fulfilled. The Maharaja was overcame with elation. Elation means happiness. And he said that he had killed the last tiger, 100th tiger, and ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ pledge ਸੀ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸੀ, he said that it was completed and he became very happy. Ordering the tiger to be brought to the capital in grand procession, the Maharaja hastened way in his car and then he ordered के उसको टाइगर को ग्रांड ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ਼ਨ एक ਜਲੂਸ के रूप में कैपिटल ले जाया जाए एंड ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੀ ਰਾਜਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਲਦੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਾਰ 'ਚ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. After the Maharaja left, the hunters went to take a closer look at the tiger. When the Maharaja left the forest in hurry, then hunter went very near to the tiger to see it. The tiger looked back at them, rolling its eyes in bafflement. In bafflement means surprising way ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. And he was rolling means उस डरा हुआ था, उसके कारण वो अपनी आंखें घुमा रहा था और bafflement में उनको देखता है. The men realized that the tiger was not dead. The hunter saw that कि ਜਿਹੜਾ टाइगर है वो मरा नहीं है. The bullet had missed it. जो उसका टारगेट है किंग का वो मिस हो गया. It had fainted from the shock of bullet whizzing past. जो उसकी बुलेट थी उसके ऊपर जो अटैक किया था किंग ने बुलेट के साथ, उसकी साउंड से वो क्या हो गया था, बेहोश हो गया था. The hunter wondered that what they should do. Then the people or the men who was there, they were surprised कि उनको अब क्या करना चाहिए. They decided that the Maharaja must not come to know that he had missed the tiger. Then उन्होंने अपने आप ही डिसाइड किया कि दे वुड नॉट टेल द किंग कि उसका जो टारगेट है वो मिस हो गया. इफ़ ही डिड दे वुड लूज देयर जॉब. मीन्स इफ़ ही वुड, इफ़ द किंग न्यू would come to know कि उसका टारगेट मिस हो गया, then all the hunters who were with him they would lost their jobs. One of the hunter took aim from a distance of 1 foot and shoot the tiger. This time he killed it without missing the mark. देन उनमें से हंटर में से एक हंटर ने टारगेट उसके ऊपर 1 फीट के डिस्टेंस से 1 फुट के डिस्टेंस तो एम ਫਿਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਟਾਈਗਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਐਨੀ ਮਾਰਕ ਦ ਹੰਟਰ ਸਕਿਲਡ ਦ ਟਾਈਗਰਸ. then as commanded by the king, the tiger was taken in procession through the town and buried. A tomb was erected over it. Then as it was the order of the king, ਜਿਹੜਾ डेड टाइगर है उसको जलूस के रूप में कैपिटल और टाउन में ले जाया गया और दबा दिया गया और उसके ऊपर एक टॉम को रेज कर दिया गया. ठीक है. एंड a few days later the Maharaja's son's third birthday was celebrated. कुछ दिन बाद महाराजा के सन का थर्ड बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया गया. Until then the Maharaja had given his entire mind over the tiger hunting. तब तक मीन्स के उसके बेटे के 3 साल होने तक महाराजे ने पूरा अपना टाइम है टाइगर हंटिंग को दिया था. ही हैड नो टाइम to spare for the crown prince, and the Maharaja was not having time to spend with the prince, but now the king turned his attention to the child. but after completing his mission, according to him, he just paid his full attention toward his son. He wished to give him some special gift on his birthday. That's why he just wanted to give him to his son a special gift. He went to the shopping center in Pratibandhapuram and searched every shop. To celebrate the birthday of his son, he just wanted to give a special gift to his son. That's why he went to the shopping center of Pratibandhapuram and searched a special gift in every shop. But he couldn't find anything suitable. But उसको कुछ भी ऐसा suitable नहीं मिला. Finally, he spotted a wooden tiger in a toy shop and decided it was perfect गिफ्ट. एट लास्ट एक वुडन एक शॉप में उसको वुडन टाइगर दिखाई देता है एंड उसने डिसाइड किया कि उसके सन के लिए परफेक्ट गिफ्ट है. ठीक है. द वुडन टाइगर कॉस्ट ओनली 2 आनास एंड क्वार्टर. ठीक है. द प्राइस ऑफ दैट टाइगर वाज ओनली 2 आना एंड quarter, but the shopkeeper knew that if he quoted such a low price to the Maharaja, he would be punished under the rules of emergency. But the shopkeeper was very clear. उसको पता था उसको पता था कि अगर उसने इतनी लो प्राइस महाराजा को बताई, then महाराजा would give him punishment under the emergency rule. So he said, Your Majesty, this is an extremely rare example of craftsmanship, a bargain at 300 rupees. Then he said to king very respectfully कि ये जो वुडन टाइगर है एक रेयर एग्जाम्पल है क्राफ्टमैनशिप का. एंड ही सेड दैट इट्स कॉस्ट इज़ 300 रुपी. जहाँ उसकी बारगेनिंग थी वो 300 रुपी पे ख़त्म हुई. वेरी गुड. लेट दिस बी योर ऑफरिंग to the crown prince on his birthday, said the king, and took away with him. Then the king said that very nice or good, and he said that it would be the good gift for the prince. And the king took the gift. wooden tiger को लेता है और चला जाता है. On the day, father and son played with the tiny little wooden tiger. On the same day, both the tiger king and his son both played with that wooden tiger. It had been carved by unskilled carpenter. It means the wooden tiger that was made by unskilled carpenter means वो carpenter था, वो skilled नहीं था. Its surface was rough. It means tiger, wooden tiger the jada surface that was very rough. Tiny slivers of wood stood up like quills over it. It means टॉय टाइगर. देन उसके ऊपर छोटी छोटी लकड़ी की जो मेखे थी वो क्विल्स की तरह ऊपर थी उसके. वन ऑफ दो स्लीवर पियर्स द महाराजास राइट हैंड. उन स्लीवर्स में से एक स्लीवर महाराजा के राइट हैंड में खुप जाती है. ही पुल्ड इट आउट विद हिज लेफ्ट हैंड. It means sliver. The king pulled the sliver with his right hand from the left and he continued played with the prince. And both the son and the father continuously played. The next day, infection flared in the Maharaja's right hand. Then next day what happened कि ਜਿਹੜੇ किंग ਦੇ महाराजा ਦੇ राइट हैंड ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਨਫੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਪਰੈਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਫਲੇਅਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਸਪਰੈਡ. In 4 days it developed into a separating sore which spread all over the arm. Then what happened within 4 days ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਇਨਫੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਸੀ that was changed into a pus और पूरी arm ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ spread ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. 3 famous surgeons were brought in from Madras. 3 सर्जन्स को मद्रास से लाया गया किंग का ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए. आफ्टर होल्डिंग अ कंसल्टेशन दे डिसाइडेड टू ऑपरेट. They means the 3 surgeons that were brought from Madras. After doing a discussion, they decided that they would operate the arm of the king. The operation took place. Then decision ਲੈਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ king ਦਾ operation ਕਰਤਾ. The 3 surgeons who performed it means operation came out of the theater and announced. 3 सर्जन जिन्होंने ऑपरेशन किया था वो ऑपरेशन थिएटर से बाहर आते हैं और अनाउंस करते हैं द ऑपरेशन वाज सक्सेसफुल, कि ऑपरेशन था जो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. द महाराजा इज डेड एंड दे सेड दैट द महाराजा वाज डाइड. आयरनी इज डिस्क्राइब्ड हियर, ठीक है, बाय द राइटर. क्लियर. इन दिस मैनर द 100 टाइगर took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. Revenge means बदला. इस तरह 100 टाइगर ने अपना क्या है बदला ले लिया टाइगर किंग से. एंड वी कैन से लेट एस्ट्रोलॉजर की जी प्रडिक्शन सी दैट केम ट्रू. द किंग वाज रियली किल्ड बाय द 100th टाइगर. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द वीडियो. Thanks for watching the video.